Content warning. This video might and will contain satire, so be careful. If you are unable to handle this, it means you are a special snowflake and should contact a doctor for this. Keep in mind what happens to snowflakes in the summer. Be careful and enjoy the video. Hashtag it's a joke.
Hi there and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about 5 tips that will help you grow your channel. If it is on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch, whatever it is, these 5 tips will help you for each of those places. So I would go straight to the first one. Number 1, it's very careful to not just focus on one of these platforms. It's always important to have like your main channel, if it is like YouTube or Twitch, whatever it is, it's always great to also use the other platforms to grow your reach and discover new people that will find you, discover you and keep following you. So definitely do that one. Number 2, I would say it's always very important to know what your brand is and focus on what you want to do and what the product is that you're presenting, aka your videos, your stream. It's very important to know that, because then you can know who are gonna be the people that are gonna look for you. What kind of people are you looking for? What age group? What are their interests? And try to focus on that and try to reach those people at the places that those people would be at. Use special tags specifically for those people to add an easier reach. That's definitely a very useful tip as well. Number 3, very important, is to do something that you are gonna enjoy yourself, of course, because it's always very easy at the start to do something that is gonna reach many people, like top 5 videos, to make like very easy videos that you can make and share with a lot of people, but you are gonna find boring at the end. So try to start from the start with something that you enjoy making and will keep enjoying. And very important, be yourself. Well, yes, be yourself, unless if you are boring or if you are just annoying, then definitely don't be yourself. Be anything but yourself, I would say. So, sorry for that, I don't know what happened there. So yes, it's always to come up with a creative new way of making videos or stream. Try to find something that is special, something that you came up with, something that no one has ever seen before. Creativity is a loser's game. No, 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 no. We are going to steal from other content creators. Yes, that's the lazy way and the winning way. Just pretend that you come up with something all by yourself. And if someone is calling you out and being like, hold on, this looks like the video from this other content creator, just deny it all. Pretend like you never ever heard from the other content creator. You never seen their videos, no idea who that person is. It's all a win-win. Even when they are uploading more videos or that same kind of material, your videos are gonna be recommended for those viewers because your videos are pretty much the same. So you're gonna reach the same people. It's a win-win for everyone. Except those that came up with the idea and did all the work, of course. But hey, who cares? We are here for content, right? What the hell is happening this whole time? What? Okay, buddy, you're out of here. Let me do this. So, okay, also very important is that every single video that you make doesn't have to be very long. Make it as short as possible because your viewers don't have a lot of attention. So very important to keep your videos as short as possible. So I'm not even gonna go and number all the tips. I'm just going to super speed all your tips for you. So be ready, focus, because this is the real way how you grow on Twitch and YouTube. Let's go.
First of all, use clickbait. Very important for your titles, for your Twitch streams, for your YouTube videos. Use clickbait titles, clickbait thumbnails. Go all out. Use the red arrows. Use whatever it has to do for people to click your channel. Go crazy with it. To be fair, the title and the thumbnail is probably even more important than the content of your video, because it doesn't matter how great your video is. If it doesn't look interesting, people are not going to click on it. So put more focus on the damn title and the damn thumbnail. Got it? Okay, next one. Instead of working really hard and making content, we are gonna be way smarter. We are going to use the power of React videos and React streams. Yes, yes, yes. We are going to use the strategy of looking at content that other content creators made for us. And we are going to call it fair use because we are going to react and give our opinions on these other amazing videos. And we didn't even have to work for it. It's amazing. It's legendary. I love it so much. It's so evil and easy. That's my way. So now we're going to take a look at what is trending at this point. If you're on Twitch, you better jump in a hot tub because this is the hottest trend. So if you want to join and you want to grow, you know what to do. Get wet or get out.
Now, I want y'all to say thank you for once again debasing yourself for our entertainment, Asmongold. Thank you for making yourself look like a fucking idiot again on the stream, Asmongold.
Now, if you're still not growing on your channel, it's finally time to do something really stupid. Time to get yourself in trouble. It can be on Twitter, it can be with a video, it can be with a live stream. Get yourself into trouble that people start talking about you. Just be careful, don't go too crazy with it because we don't want to get banned. We just want to get into enough trouble that people start talking about us. Because then we are going to use one of the magical places of YouTube. We are going to make an apology video, yes, but very important, do not forget to monetize that video as well because we want a little bling bling for all the tears that we are gonna shed. And if by now, after all these tips that you have tried out, you're still not popular and you're still not growing on your channel, then I've got really bad news for you. It means that you, my friend, are boring and I really don't know what to do about that. So really, I can't help you with that, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't really care because you, my friend, gave me a view. So even if this video didn't help you, you did help me, and how amazing is that? So learn from it like I did, and yeah, I'm gonna keep it right here. And thank you. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Did you learn from it? You didn't? Well, tough luck. I'm gonna keep it right here.
So this is the end of the video. It's a freaking miracle that you were able to watch this until the end. But you know what? If you are already in pain, why not watch more of CRACH videos to continue the suffering? And if you really hate yourself, you could even subscribe to get notified when he uploads more videos. Well, this was the outro. I'm out. Are you still here? Why? Click on my tie to subscribe. Okay, I'm really gonna go now.